I'm Marianne Carter. I'm the Outreach Director here at Second Use Building Materials in Seattle, Washington. Second Use is an architectural salvage yard where we go into spaces, both residential and commercial, that are being slated for remodel or demolition, and we pull out those non-structural, reusable building materials, sell them in our store to the public, and essentially divert them from the landfill. So doors, windows, cabinets, lighting, hardware, architectural pieces. Between our two stores, we are able to divert about 3,500 tons of waste from the landfill every year. That 3,500 tons not only represents things we aren't throwing away, but things that are new that don't have to be created. As Outreach Director, I do everything from marketing and design to organize in-house events. Before I discovered Jotform, we were using paper, which is very contrary to our goal to diverting waste. So we started using it because we were trying to collect a small fee as well as applications for our handmade market series. We've used it as a permanent solution to a lot of things, as well as a really great band-aid. Jotform's helped me solve a ton of problems. It started with a specific problem, which was how do I collect credit card payments for this specific application? And it is morphed into a way to collect data internally to sell our annual calendars. We use it to sell t-shirts that we print in-house. I've had a great experience using Jotform. It's simple to create forms. It's also very simple to review the information you collect on the form. And I think the fact that there's as much attention paid to the interface as far as design, user experience in creating the forms, as well as how you look at and review the information you collect is really important, and it's one of Jotform's strong suits. I love that when I'm reviewing an application for like the handmade market, where we are collecting pictures as well as data as well as credit card payments, that we can scroll through and see the images. It makes jurying something very easy. It's hard to remember life before it. We are Second Use Building Materials in Seattle, Washington, and we use Jotform.